This is a Love Life Horoscope Tarot reading for Cancer from July 10th, July 24th, 2021. Let's get to it. What do we got coming up for you in the next 2 weeks? Nine of Cups. 5 of Cups. And the Emperor. You may not know this, but there's someone in your energy that's very attracted to you, very intimidated by you. There's some fear that's holding this person back. They want to communicate a love offer to you, but that would mean some regrets for them. Let's see who this person is. The Chariot. Cancer energy. And the 9 of Wands. Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. They want to make a move towards you, but that would mean crossing some boundaries that they couldn't go back from. But it's almost like the Chariot is that card that busts through barriers, through blocks, through boundaries. That's rising up in them here. This person has a major decision to make. You may see this coming. I notice that Emperor looking at this. You're kind of side-eyeing it. Let's get to the round of love-generated questions. First one, what does your love interest think of most often when they think of you? Knight of Swords, the Star, and Justice. I'm getting a sense here that karma's been very kind to you. And this person is inspired by you. Think of most often. Whatever you're communicating to this person is very inspiring to them. That's what they think of most often. But it's like they're seeing you have this big destiny. And that's the message that they're getting. It's like you have this destiny. They want to be part of that. You inspire this person in a way that nobody else does. They're very up to date on you. Let's clarify this Knight of Swords. For them, defense. For you, humility. So it's like you're not even flaunting your success. You're very humble in what you project, but this person sees what you've become. there's something in their energy here that it's like a line that they can't cross. They can't communicate to you how they feel. They can't tell you what an inspiration you are. Before we get back to the random love generating questions, actually, let me check the questions. Okay, there's a question that's going to be answered here, because I'm wondering what is keeping them from coming towards you, but we're going to find that out. What are the love interest's current feelings towards you at this very moment? Queen of Swords, analyzing. Seven of Pentacles. The Knight of Wands. They see you moving with purpose. There's something here that you're working towards. And they're analyzing their place and how you're achieving it. They're analyzing something here. You're in this person's head. You're past this person's defenses. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords for them. They're seeing your progress. For you, this person, it feels that if they join you, it's going to be like a rebirth. Like where they are right now seems to be kind of draining. They want to have progress again in their lives. There's something about this person's situation, and I'm getting the sense here that they're with somebody. They could be in a connection. And that's what's stopping. We'll see. But there's something here that's preventing this person. All they can do is just want. What's the biggest factor that's benefiting this connection? Ace of Cups, a lot of love from them. Page of Swords, and the Two of Swords. Because whether you know this person wants you or not, or whether you're aware of this person, the fact that the fact that they haven't come towards you yet, they haven't communicated yet, the fact that you don't see this, or that you're choosing to be naive to it or unaware, is the biggest fact that's benefiting this person, because their emotions are growing. They're getting to watch you. They're finding more good things about you. So your lack of action is the thing that's benefiting this connection the most. Let's clarify this Page of Swords. For them, they see how they could help. Ooh. Because you're not doing anything, this person is submitting to liking you even more. Like that. They don't have to be defensive of anything, because there's nothing to be defensive towards. They can keep their virtue intact, because you're not doing anything here. But their love for you is growing. They see how they could help you in some way, or how you could help them. In the extended, we'll look into what happened that made the love interest act the way they did towards you. So perhaps this is someone from your past. What will happen if you reach out to this love interest in the next 2 weeks? I'm thinking you shouldn't. What's something that will surprise you about this love interest? So we'll see why this person isn't capable of coming towards you. And we'll ask, what is this love interest looking for from this connection? The link for the extended is down below. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you the best with your choices. Much love.